Originally, this school was planning to move forward with pour-and-play surfacing. It's nice, it's unitary, it's rubber, it's dependable. It was the next assumed step. And then turf entered the conversation late in the process, and that shift changed everything. When schools move away from pea gravel, pour-and-place is often the next logical upgrade. It's uniform, it's widely specified in bids and communities, it's really familiar. And that's where this project started.
They knew they didn't want to use the more traditional surfacing because they had pea gravel before.
So, pour-and-place was the direction. But near the end of the planning process, turf was introduced as an alternative.
Almost at the last second, I said, well, I've got another style of surfacing. I just want to make you aware of it. And I showed them a little bit about the turf. And really, as soon as they saw it and thought about it, they said, that's the way we want to go.
That's not a small change. Changing surfacing late can create instability, even if it's reactive. So they evaluated it carefully. They looked at installation timing, weather sensitivity, comfort under daily use, maintenance expectations, and board confidence.
And I've had more than one board member come up to me today and even before today, said they absolutely love the look of the turf. They love walking on it. They are really glad they decided to go this way instead of the pour-and-place.
This decision didn't happen in a vacuum. It's one of the wettest summers they'd ever experienced. Ground conditions were more unstable than ever. Any surfacing option had to align with real-world installation constraints.
We had the wettest summer we have ever had, so we were teased on what we were actually going to be putting in because we had this big well of ground and then the rock and everything that was out.
Turf aligned better with the sequencing adjustments they needed. It allowed them to move once the base was ready. It provided comfort under daily traffic, and there's over 150 kids at a time on this playground. And it gave the board confidence in the finished result. It wasn't about a trend, it was about fit.
It's actually our very first turf job, so we're very excited about it. It looks great, couldn't be happier.
Pour-and-place wasn't wrong, just wasn't the best fit for this set of constraints. Late changes don't weaken projects when they're evaluated clearly. They strengthen them. And in this case, turf wasn't a reaction, it was a decision.